Breakfast. Simple lang. Good morning, another day. We're going to eat for lunch now. So, time is 12:21. And after nito, ewan ko saan kami punta. Hello, kili-kili. Huwag nyo tingnan yan. Wala kayo nakita. Sarap ng hangin. Mainit. Mainit ng araw. So, ang sarap ng hangin, malamig. Mamaya, malamig. I hope not really cold later today.
70 degrees.
But when it's really windy, it's still cold. Nakadepende sa hangin. Grabe yung people ko dito. Kasi ang pangit dito, super dry. As in, magda-dry ka dito. Desierto. Kapimple ako. Hindi ako natutuwa. Another sunny day. Hello, Kennewick, Washington. We're going to Pasco.
I wear this long sleeve, and it's going to be a scorcher.
Okay. Ganda ng araw, ah. Ganda ng langit. Going to Pasco. Yeah.
And then
You know,
that green tower.
parang castle.
Green tower looks like a castle.
Yeah. It's like a castle. There, in the
Yeah.
train. Okay. What day? Arriving your destination, we're here in Rebel Dragon Restaurant. Dito kami kakain ng lunch day. You've arrived. Going inside. Here we're gonna eat for our lunch. They're open. We're here inside. Thank you. Would you like a hot tea today?
I don't know. You want any hot tea?
No.
I'm going to do 2 lunch specials there.
Okay, you can ask me. It's under 2. Lunch today, I have a fried pork rice and spring roll. And tsaka niya naman is chicken. Eat na. This one? Is this good? With our lunch, I'm back in the car, so we're going to Giza Stadium, which is the baseball game. Going to the baseball. We're already here inside. So kami nauna kami dyan. Pero grabe yung tao pila sa loob. Ha? Eh, grabe yung pila ng tao dun sa labas. So ayun na, may mga kids na pumasok sa haba. So, nauna kayo papasok dito. Para paraan yan si asawa. Ayun, nabukas na. Tunog na yung horn. So, it's another sunny day. I hope not really cold later tonight. I'm here at the game. Papractice pa sila warm up. So, this is what I wore. I have my dress in a lot of kumot and dalawang jacket. And I hope they're not sold out. What number? What? 14? I got free shirts today, so I have shirts. Look at that.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good evening. Welcome to Geesa Stadium for Game 4 of our 6-game series between your Tri-C Festivals and the Hillsboro Hops.
Ayaw, mag-smile.
Of the Arizona Diamond. 519-544-8789.
Caliente lo queda mejor.
40.
According to regulation.
Flag na tayo. Tayo na lahat. Good, Ryan. Woo! Oh, go. Good, Ryan. Very good. Got it. For the home run, Tri-City. Kahapon back-to-back yung ano nila, home run. Yung nailalabas yung bola doon. 3 beses as in sunod-sunod. Then panalo sila. Then other night, ganun din 3 beses. Then they won again. I hope tonight too. Go out. Go out. So it's not score yet. They already have 2 points right now. 5 innings. Run! Oh, okay, stay there. Good job, man. We're playing. Bye-bye.
Like after the game was over, they went all it was a day game, like after the day, they went out, did like I'm sure there was like because they won that.
Championship change for the Tri-C Festivals. Now pitching.
Exercise, get up, warm up. Gabi na, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 innings. 8 I think, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's already 9. So right now they're doing 10 innings. So this is gonna be a last. And then it depends kung mag-tie sila. Oh, they're tie. And then mag-overtime. for
You just over there.
breakfast. So I have hash brown, egg, and egg. With always hash brown, bread, and egg. And this is breakfast for here in the diner. Dito sa Washington pa rin kami sa Canary.
The person who has blasphemed the Holy Spirit is a person that wouldn't ask about it. They wouldn't care about it.
It's a sin that only a non-believer can.
In 2 miles, use the middle lane to take the I-182 West, US.
Let's go back to a statement Jesus made and close with this. Jesus said, and that you respond to the work of the Holy Spirit and come to Jesus Christ tonight. Let's all bow our heads. Father.
Here in Pasco Naval Air Station, home to Starman's and Avengers Twin. Yan. Outside, to the left, where's the entrance? Go again. Welcome to the Pasco Aviation Museum. We're here inside. Airplane. This is cute airplane.
How long does the tour usually take? The biggest piece that I like, this was the Naval Air Station in Pasco. But
Ikot lang tayo dito. Magtingin-tingin lang din ako. Since first time ko dito sa museum. So, dito is gift shop nila dito. So, pwede ka bumili some of the stuff here.
yeah,
Armament.
yeah,
Air and Armament.
yeah, the Russian.
Canyon Airlines out of Tucson, and they flew Twin Otters.
Yep.
Scenic tours.
We had those in Canada.
Ayan yung flag nila. Oh. Diba kahit saan may flag? Ito may mga history nila dito. Oh. Mga gamit ng panahon na lumalaban. Yan yung gamit ng aeroplano. Siya. Tapos ito, Jacob Engines. Jacob Aircraft Engines. Ayan siya. Ito sample lang siya na tao na yan yung nag-ano dyan ng diba? Ito mga history din sa TV. The career, uniform before, social life in Pasco. Women accepted voluntary emergency in the wave. Yan yung mga stuff dito. Yan may malaki dito ang ano. Tawag dyan, drop tank. Pasco United Flight 100 years. So, ang pangalan nito dati is Pasco Wash Airlines, and then this guy Barney Airlines merged with other airlines to become started here the United Airlines. That's how we start the name of the Airlines United. So, di ba, it's still existing ngayon United Airlines because of him. First commercial airfare flight puts Pasco to the history of the book. Know what I mean? So during here naman during Young Men Flying Machine. Then here in the first floor, we're going to second floor, going upstairs.
After the war, the thing got scrapped and they don't know where, or it's junk now. It's gone. It's all gone. We do have a few artifacts from it. We have the altimeter and a crash axe, and that's about all that we have. We have some correspondence. So the crew always felt that the airplane belonged to the people and not the military. So they always flew it that way, and they were always proud. And so the people of Hanford would write them Christmas cards and stuff, and they'd write back.
And that's how they do it.
And then, so...
Thank you. His name is the history. Wow. Tingnan nyo nangyari dun sa airplane, pero nadala pa nila ulit pabalik. This is so worse. But they used to get it back, some of the parts of the airplane.
And there was only 4 crew members on board.
Yeah.
They were out doing what they called an engineering flight or a maintenance flight. And they had a problem with the airplane and they crashed.
Dito Liberto B12 Consolidate Liberty. Landing.
So we landed on the highway.
That's awesome. That's so cool.
The table?
Another fun story.
More here.
This is
aircraft.
Now the fun story is that on one of their the plane did make it all the way to the port. Came back here, as most planes did.
And then we have an empty display.
The only
May mga gamit dito. Nakatakot. Pero may patay. Here's Navy. So yung mga airplane na gamit nila before sa labanan din. Sa Naval Aviation Cadet. Dito naman, oh, ganda ng flag. Naval Areas Pasco area. Wow. Pwede titingnan lang natin na sobrang nakakatuwa tingnan. My friend. Rin ko to kung totoo ba to in real life, yung story na to sa mga Navy. Very hard feeling talaga yung makakita ng mga history na ganito, no? Nilalaban talaga yung bansa para lang freedom. Look at your cup. That's your cup when you were in the Navy.
That's a Dixie cup right there.
Yeah. Look at the book. The school, how they made it.
Ashtray.
Ashtray. Just keep straight, and this is how you drive. Okay na. So, alis na kami. Yan lang yung stop dun sa loob. Ito na sa pinaka-top. Baba na ako.
Okay.
We're all done. Dito na lang aking video. Update you later, guys, when I go to the game. We're done. We're going back to the car now. Dyan yung office nila. And then doon sa likod yung kabilang pinuntahan namin ng museum. Balik na kami. We're going in the car. Ito mga alauna, guys. So, ang dilim sa labas kasi ulan ng ulan. Parang hindi yata matutuloy yung laro. Sobrang dilim. Tapos umuulan. Tapos mas malamig. Damo na humahangin. Tapos malamig na kasi walang araw. Lalong lalamig. At maulan, pero ang mga tao tuloy pa din sa laro. Hap kulimlim nga siya, just lightning kanina. Pero dun sa likod, may araw. Maaraw dun sa bundok na yun. Kasi maliwanag dun eh. Yan, liwanag dun. Ito lang makulimlim. Yeah. It's the game. So, uminto na yung ulan. Makulimlim na siya, pero parang kulimlim lang na ulap. Yung sakto lang. Yan yung kulimlim araw-araw dito. Ganyan siya kapag paggabi na. So, ayan siya. Lahat yan, puro puti yan. Naka-cover. So, tinanggal na nila. Malinis na ulit. And hindi siya nabasa kasi ang lakas ng ulan kanina. So, madami na rin yung mga tao.
Every night you get the Belton Bomb promotion.
The dogs early light. What's so proudly we hail the spy or the ramparts we
Game ano na ining 4 ay 3. Pero kanina pa, which is ngayon umaambo na naman. Paulan. Tingnan nyo dun, oh, maaraw, di ba? Tapos maliwanag. Pero may araw, yun, oh, yung araw. Tapos dito sa kabila, ayun, oh, ang dilim, dark, umuulan. Dito din maambon. Tapos doon, saan ka? Hayate yung mundo. Tutuloy pa rin ng laro. Ganon, ganito dito. Na kahit nanggat di pa, alam mo yung kaya pa, hindi pa naman total lumakas yung ulan. Dito, mananatili pa din, stay pa din. Hindi yan sila aalis. Kaya, maliban na kung malakas na, and then, i-end na to yung laro na to, hindi na to itutuloy. Okay, hindi ako masyado magbibideo, pero nilalamig kasi ako. Malamig talaga. Pero maraming tao today. Pero mas marami kahapon, kasi kahapon puno to dito. Nilalamig. Oh, they got score. Okay, try city next. Naman, time check 9:29. Kanina pa ako dito, mga 7 siguro, maaga pa, maliwanag. So, di ko na tinapos kasi ang lamig. Tapos umaambon, mawawala. Tapos ngayon, alas 9 na, oh. Ayan yung oras, diba? Oh, nag-uwian na sila. Hindi ko alam kung tapos na ba. Pero takbo na sila kasi umuulan na naman ulit. Ambon ba? So, hindi talaga ako nagstay sa laro today. Kasi nilalamig din ako. Kahit even nasa car ako, nilalamig pa din ako. So, yun yung update. Excuse me, update ko today or tonight. Tomorrow again. Good night. Ang lakas na ng ulan. Nag-uwian na sila. Uwian na, takbuhan na. Lakas na ng ulan. Wala pa siya asawa. Sana kaya yun?